guys, December 7th, 2020. This is I got a call from an older gent where he's got a gas boiler that's not, pilot won't stay on, from what he said. Well, maybe, hopefully it's something simple. A little cold this morning. Probably like 30 degrees this morning, so it's getting a little nipply out, mama. This Molly's got a sweater and a coat on this morning. We'll try to get you some shots when I get there. I told him I'm gonna stay away from me. Wear a mask and stay away from me. Probably be breathing down my flippin' neck. What you on about, Molly? Guy's gonna be sniffing up my ass when I get there. The old sniff, give me the old sniff up the ass treatment. And they said the pilot won't stay on?
Yeah.
You tried lighting it?
Yeah.
And it goes out?
Soon as I push it down, it stays on. Soon as I let it go up, it goes out.
Okay. Alright. Try to thermocouple, it might be that. Maybe. Oh, great. It looks like that thing's stuck in there. It's all fried. It's all fried, like fried chicken. Like fried chicken. That's odd. Nobody's been sick in the house?
No.
Well, that's good, right?
Yeah.
One of these, it looks like this one blows straight at it. This is an old gas valve. This was damn sure. I'll try this first and see if we get it to work. Should be fine. Hopefully. Turn this to pilot. See if we can light it. You got gas in the house, you said, right?
Yep.
Let's see if it stays on. Ooh. That's quite the pilot you got there. That's why it cooked. I mean, you really get a lot of heat on that thing. You got a carbon monoxide detector upstairs?
I don't know.
We'll have to check it and see what it's running in the vents. Alright. You got the thermostat off upstairs?
It's possible.
Let's put that going. Let's see what happens.
You want me to put it on?
Yeah, go ahead. It's staying on now, so. Turn it up and see what happens. The other thermocouple's just all cooked.
Yeah.
Alright, turn it up. Boy, that thing's really high. That thing's red hot. Yeah, it's flipping red hot. Wow. That thing's really... Look at the thermocouple. I mean, that thing's red hot. Wow. Check the unit upstairs and make sure it's safe to run. Give it the old, how you doing? Thermocouple's not going to last too long, I'll tell you. Yeah. It's glowing flipping red. Not the greatest design in the world, that's for sure. Once it heats up, that thing should kick in. It's turning now. It's set for 140. The high limit's set way up. Wow. 2 something. Crazy. The thermocouple going red. Let's run it. We'll just have to check it in the vents upstairs, make sure it's safe. Just gonna have to check inside the vents upstairs and make sure there's no carbon monoxide in there. This is a real old unit. What's running? I replaced the thermocouple. You can see the thing's glowing red over here. It's not supposed to be red like that, but this is the design of this furnace.
Yeah.
It cooked the other one. The other one fell apart in my hands when I went to go take it out.
Alright.
So. At least you have heat.
I used
They're gonna have to change those thermocouples a lot if they're gonna get cooked like that. You're really baking the shit out of them, you know?
yeah.
It's an Armstrong.
I've been here 2 years. That's the first time.
First time in 20 years? Well, it was a real heavy duty one, but man, she really cooked. It's cooked it. And so well.
No.
Drains into a bucket here,
Yeah.
and then it goes out a hose. That's something, huh? The old Armstrong. Alright, we just have to check it upstairs, make sure it's okay. Looks like it goes right outside right here. It's definitely a noisy bugger. This Just gotta make sure the heat exchanger is not cracked, you know. Alright, you're getting lucky. I mean, some of them old units are really thick, you know. Alright, you're good. I'll get you a slip. Some of them old heat exchangers are really thick. That one seems to be okay.